Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial for you girls today. And no, I'm not going to grab a palette and say, buy this palette. I'm just going to tell you guys, if you guys have colors that are similar at home, this eyeshadow look will work for you. Look, so I have a very dark brown, a very natural lighter brown, a blue, and a silver. And that is what I am wearing on my eyes today. Look at that. If you guys want some palettes that have similar colors, I will post those in the description box down below through Amazon. I will find some fairly reasonable priced palettes, and I'll put one holy grail in there. But I think this eyeshadow look turned out absolutely stunning. Once again, if you have similar colors, you don't have to go break the bank. Just digging through your makeup drawers and find something and get a similar look. So let's go ahead and get to that eyeshadow tutorial. And before we get there, please hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it. Let's get to that tutorial. Okay guys, so let's get started. Let's take that brown color and go ahead and sweep it back and forth over here in the crease, just as so. So you see how it's like just a little bit more straight right there. Bring it down the corner just a little bit. We have that color on. To take a little bit of concealer. If you don't have concealer, you can do foundation. I'm just going to apply it to the eyelid like that. Look straight, look down, and that's how high it's supposed to go. So that's where I'm going to go ahead and place this. The colors adhere a little bit better when it's a tad bit damp. So I'm just taking a flat packer brush and just packing this right on. Now, if you want, you can leave the blue just like this, but I'm going to lighten the blue just a little bit. Nice sheer silver on top. I'm just going to go ahead and do it on the majority of the eye, just leaving this a little bit bare because I'm going to go right on top of that. I'm going to go ahead and place this tape right here, going from an angle all the way up where your eyeliner would typically lay. I'm going to be dipping into that very, very dark brown, and I'm going to be placing it on this corner of the eye right here. Now I'm placing it right on top of the portion of the eyelid that I left, that I didn't put the silver on top of, but I'm also going to bring it up here within this crease right here. Kind of just deepening this whole entire section. Now I'm just going in little circular motions, especially in this crease area. Then you want to kind of just windshield wiper just back and forth a little bit to kind of fade this darker into the lighter shade, kind of diffusing this cut crease just a little bit in the corner. Now check this out. We're going to remove the tape, and voila. To take a liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to actually trace onto this line right here. See that there becomes my guide for my eyeliner. Taking a flat, very sharp, precise brush, I'm going to take the blue and I'm going to push it right up into my lashes right here, lining the whole bottom portion of the eye. Now, you can leave it like that. That's a nice contrast, dark to the light, but I'm actually going to take that silver, place it on the same brush, and then just kind of pat this right on to kind of lighten, because I like things more to match. I'm going to grab that very, very dark brown, and I'm going to grab it on a very, very fine tipped brush here, the brown that we used right here, and I'm just going to place it in this corner right here. Just lining right in the very corner, pushing it up into my lashes. Go ahead and take my black eyeliner, and I'm going to line my waterline now. And that is the completed look. I'm going to go ahead and just pop on some eyelashes, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so what did you think of the tutorial? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really tried to zoom in really close to the eye, but I think the eyeshadow look looks beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. Anyways, these are the colors once again. I will post some palettes down below in the comment section. In the description box. But please, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.